Hello! I have a doll unboxing. I finally got one of my dolls from Aliexpress. It's been a while. This, I think it's this one. It's a reprint doll, so if you're offended by doll nudity, there will be doll nudity. Or reprinted dolls, move on down the road. This is a reprint of a Dust of Doll, or DOD, French BJD, from what I can gather. They call them all that, but that's what this is. So I've been wanting this doll. It has a really interesting, cool sculpt on it, so we'll see how it looks. And I think that's what's in here. I'm pretty sure. So here we go. So excited to get it. I've been waiting for her. It's kind of cool looking. It's the same, I think it's the same guys I ordered from before, that UNAFs or QNAFs or whatever they're called. He's there. Paperworks. Whatever that is. That's nice. Just make up your own numbers and names, I guess. Oh, yeah. Nothing. I'll just throw this back in there. You never know how they're going to come wrapped either, so I don't know. I found out you can order feet for the Popovi dolls from them too. You just have to talk to them and tell them what you want. What color and shape and everything. And they're happy to oblige. Here's one of their little spongy sponges. Ooh, she's cool. Oh, it's got that cool resin smell. Oh, her face is super cute. Oh my gosh, she's cute. I think her head is even smaller than my Popovi. Let's see if they've got the marking in there. Oh, it says Lilia. Lilia? I guess maybe that's the original. Yeah, it even says inside there. But it has an interesting sculpt on the body. Oh, she's got nice feet. Oh, look at her hands. Oh, this one's clutched. A clutching hand. I can always blush the body and paint the nails if I want. I still haven't done it on my other little owl and that other one. When you put the clothes on a few times, you wear off a lot of the blushing, really you do. I mean, I even sealed it with super clear, but it just kind of comes off. So there's some doll nudity coming up, so hang on to your hats. Oh, she's cool. Oh, wow. Oh, she's very, very cool. Yeah, that's neat. I'll cover up her bits. There's her. Oh, look at the back sculpting, strange. Wow, that's really neat. Yeah, she's very, very cool. And she's, so this is the Popovi one. So she's smaller than her. Yeah, head about the same, roughly the same size, I guess. So, I like her. That's a neat doll. So, that's that one. She poses nice. Really pretty. Oh, she's got double joints on here. Yeah, that's cool. How do the knees go? Not bad. Yeah, she'll pose. She'll sit, cross her legs. Look at her watch. What time is it? It's about time I got here. Gee whiz. So she's very pretty. I like her. So I'll show you some of the other stuff I got, or I'm working on. I did, I made this. This is Mr. Retro's, one of his favorite movies.
Robot Monster.
Robot Monster. So I printed this helmet for him. I think in Robot Monster, supposedly he's supposed to have a skull under his mask, but you never see it. It's on the poster. So, but he was wearing this gorilla suit, and then they just had this
It's just a dark
thing.
screen.
Yeah, it was just a dark screen. But I thought this was more fun. But it's a cool movie. It's very fun. 50. What is it? 53, 53. Yeah. Okay. So there's Robot Monster. And there, Robot Monster. And I really, I did the helmet. I modeled that myself. And I like it so much, I'm doing it for Barbie. Here it is. So I made notches for her shoulders. Oops. This isn't really a Barbie. This is a Sylvain or a, I can't remember now. My mind is a blank. But I'm making a spacesuit for her. But she's going to have goggles. And her outfit isn't done yet. It's another naked doll. Sorry. And, yeah. I'm not sure if I showed this or not. But this is the spacesuit I did for Popovi doll. And she's really cool in it. Oops. This is her helmet. And her goggles. Okay. And her gun, her ray gun. I have it just clipped on there with a rubber band. And then her suit has a zipper up the back and a belt. And then she has anti-gravity boots, we call them. But some of these have ballet feet, so I did just booties for the ballet-footed dolls. So that's the silver set for her. And then this is my other Popovi. I did this little lingerie set for her because she models other things like helmets and stuff. So this is just her bullet bra set. And I'm working on this. I have to resize this little. This is just like a helmet for these dolls. It needs a little pushing in and stuff, but it's kind of neat. So that's a work in progress. Oh, and I'm also doing some, I'm going to do some Day of the Dead sets. So this is how this starts. You know, I did this skull. I'm going to be painting this. And then I did it down. I did it flatter, so that's pretty good. Flatter one, and then this I think is perfect. Yeah, this will be perfect. So I'm going to paint this and airbrush this, make an outfit to go with it. And I got these flowers. I'm going to try and put some flowers on the top. These are kind of big. I might take them apart. Just put parts of them. So we'll see how that's not bad there. Yeah, so we'll see how that turns out. But she's going to get like a, I don't know, a bustier or something flowy. And then this will all be painted and airbrushed and fancy for her. So I'm working on that as well. These are, it just goes through, you just have to keep printing and adjusting. So that's how that, and then this is another Barbie size set I did for my Sylvain. She has a really cool face. Let me take these off. Look at that face. He did that special for me. So she's got her ray gun, belt. This is vintage Lurex. And her little helmet.
Are those space high heels?
Yeah, no, these are what she comes with. The Barbie ones get ones like Popovi. You can't put them on her hooves. These are just her hooves. Oh, here's her glasses. They're just, you know, like that. So, and this other helmet, wherever it went, no, is going to get goggles, I think. So we'll see. And I'm doing an iridescent outfit for that one. So let's see how that turns out. But I think, oops, I think that's pretty much it. What I've been working on. I can get her glasses back on. So, we'll see you later. Watch the skies.